What's up guys? So if you have an Android TV box that's always freezing or keeps on giving you buffering issues, this video is for you. Make sure to watch this video till the end, because in this video I'll be walking you through all the steps that you can take to speed up your Android TV box. And if this is your first time coming to this channel, go down there and click on subscribe so that you see all our future videos. And don't forget to hit the bell so that you get a notification the moment you upload a new video. The main reason why most Android TV boxes keeps on freezing is lack of memory, and this is due to installing a lot of applications. Because if you look at the market, a lot of Android TV boxes that we have on the market have very low memory. So it means if you install a lot of applications, your Android TV box will end up having little or no memory for running applications. So what you can do is you can just go to your TV box and uninstall all unused applications. So now go to settings, and then go to applications, and then you just scroll down to where all your applications are. You click on the application that you want to uninstall. So I'll click on VLC, and then from there you just go to where it says uninstall, and then you click on uninstall, and that application will get uninstalled. And now moving on to number 2. So for you to understand, let me just give you a brief explanation of how applications work. So when an application is working, it will be gathering information into its own memory, which is called the cache memory. So if you keep on using that application, the memory that is being used by that certain application will keep on increasing. And it will keep on increasing to an extent where it will actually affect the overall memory of your Android TV box. So for you to be able to speed up your Android TV box, you can go and clear the cache memory and also the data of that application. Go to settings, and again go to applications. You go to the application that you want to clear the cache, and then you just click. Let me click on Kodi, and then from there, if you go down, you see where it says clear cache. You just click here. My cache is already cleared. And then you can also go and clear data so as to increase your memory. Okay. And on number 3, we have automatic updates. So as you'll be using your Android TV box, you see that from time to time there will be updates on your applications that you will have installed on your TV box. But you see that not all updates are necessary. But if you keep on updating all the applications that are on your Android TV box, you will end up running out of memory. So for you to avoid that problem of running out of memory, do not auto update all the applications. Do manual updating on applications that you really need an update on. Moving on to number 4. So in the past few years, I've been using those Android TV boxes. I've used the boxes on both Wi-Fi and using Ethernet, which is a wired connection. And I've realized that when I'm using Ethernet or wired connection, I have less problems compared to when I'm using Wi-Fi. When I'm using Wi-Fi, the box will constantly freeze and sometimes it will give me buffering issues. But when I'm using Ethernet, I do not meet any problems. So if you're having any problems while you're on Wi-Fi, try to use cables, try to use Ethernet cables or any wired connection. And while we are still on that network issue, let me just mention that removing all other devices that will be connected to that network you'll be using on your Android TV box will also increase the quality of your viewing, because you'll be having a stronger connection due to less devices that will be connected to that particular network. And this also works overall when you're connecting any other device to your network, because the more the device, the less the quality that you get from your network. But if there are fewer devices, you will definitely get a better connection. So just disconnect all devices that will not be important at that very moment. You'll get a better connection. Okay. And the next point only applies to devices with energy efficient mode. So you see that when you activate energy efficient mode, what the box will do is it will stop other processes so as to consume less power. And this might result in slowing down of your Android TV box. So if you want to get better speeds on your Android TV box, just go and deactivate your energy efficient mode. And last but not least, all our Android TV boxes do not have any internal cooling system. So if you use your Android TV box for a longer period, you see that it will heat up. And when it heats up, it will start to slow down. So the best way to prevent this problem is by placing your Android TV box on a well ventilated place. Or you can switch it off maybe after 3 hours or maybe after 5 hours before you encounter problems with your Android TV box. So this is it, guys. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up If you have liked this video and if this was your first time coming to this channel, go down there and click on subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you see all our future videos.